Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to change name and icon of apps on your iPhone. So how can I change? So keep watching this video until then. Open shortcut application on your iPhone and click on plus icon top right corner. Here is and search here, or you can see open app. Click on it and now click on this app icon and select the app you want to change name and icon. So I am selecting WhatsApp. Here you can see, and now share icon. Now scroll up and add to home screen. Now guys, write the name. So my channel name is iOS devices. Now I am writing the name iOS devices of this application. Here you can see iOS devices. Now you can change the color of your new application. Now click here. You want to add any application from the your gallery. So scroll down and this is my picture. Now click on choose bottom corner. Now add top right corner again. Now done top right corner. Now you can see here my shortcut. Click on it. You can see my WhatsApp is opening. You can see appears on screen. Here is now remove this WhatsApp application from the home screen, not deleting. Here remove from home screen. So guys, you can change name and icon of any app on your iPhone by this method. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.